back to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Lady V. Now, Lady V is talking about Tina. Now, she mentions a lot of different names of persons who supported her when her daughter was being all in social media and dragged all around social media. People that reached out to her, even people that she thought at that time wouldn't have reached out to her. She said, Lorraine, 13, Ashanti, you know, um, chocolate and vanilla, and chit chat and other persons reached out, but the person that she didn't expect was Lorraine and Ashanti, those people to contact her, but they did. So now she's saying that basically when people are having an argument on social media or any disagreement thereabout, they should not involve other people in the person's life in their arguments or disagreements. Say, for instance, they have with their husbands, their children, that should not be dragged into social media because those people are far away from social media, basically not in the disagreement, and shouldn't be dragged into such things. No, she's saying that brain right now, as in her grandson was dragged into social media, and it could have been basically that lady. So allegedly. So now that's in questioning as it's all over social media with that. So you have to go ahead and catch what Lady V has to say about this because she's really talking about everything that's surrounding Tina and, you know, the other person that supported her while she was going through her own stuff with her daughter on social media. So we'll catch the video. And guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And Lady V has her business. You guys need to go and support her business. She has an online business as well. Support her. You know, reach out to her, contact her, and support her business. Guys, have a wonderful night now.
Quarters, some people that I didn't expect it from. 13 and I are not friends. We weren't talking. I miss the 13 and one of the first one roll up the flag big and bad. That's why I will respect 13. That's why I will feel differently towards her. Okay? Ashanti 360 come out and jump and box me. And me just take up my phone and say, yo, what you do? You know anything about this? And from that history. Mr. Man in dark and a friend of mine could still stand up and speak his truth. Missy latest, Missy observant, Missy all kind of people, Missy Dana. Who else Missy? Me no want miss nobody. Well, you know chit chat and my girl. Missy chocolate, them give me mad support, chocolate and vanilla. Nobody never in agreement with it. You know some places where support came from that shocked me. Gracie. Yeah, the same Gracie wanna say about the she lady. Gracie called me and she said, Lady V is me, Gracie. Me not have a child, but me just a call you as a woman. You know where? Lorraine, talk truth, Lorraine Campbell Brown. I said to myself, no. What's going on here? Huh? What? These people are called? And I was happy. You hear me say chocolate and vanilla, olive jagai, herbalin, you hear me say? I was happy for the support. Because in social media, when they come to beat you down, Gina, I see you. Whatever support, Dan Miller, whatever support you can get, you're glad feet. You don't share the live, you're trying to share the live. Me don't have foolishness to do, you know. No. Gracie and I were not friends. Gracie and I were enemies, straight up enemies. Lorraine and me and a friend. Lorraine no like me, no care for me, she and our team, and the feelings mutual. Big woman thing. They could put that aside, that I don't like Lady V, I don't appreciate her 13 semis bias. Everybody bias. And yes, I am biased. I'm biased because I'm selective with people based on what me think or feel or what me think me know. Okay. So, when me see the love coming from Ashanti, who give me the big title out here, Lady Vagina. Me not even deal with Ashanti as Ashanti. Me deal with him as Gavin. Me not deal with 13 as Kingston 13. Me deal with her as Janice. I deal with people on a personal level. Get to know me personally. And if you don't like who you get to know. Okay. So you're going to tell me, say, you have a brand. A 13 tear up your brand, a chocolate and vanilla tear up your brand, a majesty tear up your brand, a Michelle Ladana tear up your brand, a Dana tear up your brand, a Gracie tear up your brand, a Puss, Rat, Bat, Cat, Ashanti, everybody man over there. So this a one, a t'other one, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Who really hurt your brand? Did you have a brand? Did you have a brand, any brand? Must a brand where them put pan cow. And stick a number, must see that at the brand. Who tear up your brand? What have I ever done to your brand and all the other names that I call? But when you live in your head, you chat to yourself and you hear you want something, you think what you want to think. And the tune it with and the tuning compose when I say poop, 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 around you. Tell you say it's okay to go. You don't have the right to go for nobody. Tap walk and tell lie on people. Me not sell clothes. From 2016, me not sell clothes. Not no Corona. Corona come 2020. From 2016, me closed down my last store. And I sell clothes. When me reopened my store in 2020 December, I never go back to clothes. Why? When I buy clothes, I don't buy clothes online. I have to buy it when I can see it in my hand, touch and feel. Because I want to spend more time with my family, I decide I'm not going clothes. I went bag, wig, and accessories. And other little knickknacks, just like I'm doing now. The only thing that I've had to the brand now is the financial center where we lend people loans, we cash check and stuff like that. Me have all clothes in a barrel. I don't sell clothes. That to show you how no disgusting, how no despicable, how no delusional, how no lie and full of shit. Yeah, I know what I just said. I know exactly what I just said. Tonight, me I go ride a little hard. I mean, not care. Because tomorrow, me not look. Someone won't know what the media said. Nikisha, darling. Oh, my God. You know, I have to keep my lid on, you know. Some days ago, I said something about the sexiest police officer. Police officer saw me and she accosted me. She said, I watch your live, you know. But you don't know. I hear your car one other police, the sexiest police officer. So what happened to me? Me tell her I'm going to take it back. But you see, for you, Nikisha, me not take it back, you know. Sexy police officer, I'm done. So, all right. Big up yourself and kiss my little boy for me. It was good seeing you all the other day. All right, Vicky, mate. Share the live if you haven't. Please do. Now, this is what I am going to say. Stop walking and telling lie on people and stop walk and mess with people's children. Because if the rumor on the street is to be believed, if it is true, and I have confirmed such rumor for myself, Lorraine grandson did you no wrong and you have no right to attack that little boy. You have no right to bring any discomfort to a minor. You don't need my number. You come in my shop with you. If you need my number, you don't see me. You come in my shop, you stand up, you talk to me. If you did need my number, you don't see me to my face. You say, give me back your number, mommy. But no, you come. If you give me number upon live, girl, go on, yeah. Come back at the store. You know what the store is. Come tomorrow, me give you the number. Inbox me. Pan messenger. Right? Me not have no patience, me not have no tolerance for these things. Lorraine and I are not friends. But when they were beating my daughter, when they were standing up in my daughter's neck, Lorraine reached out and she said, Lady V, me and a friend, me not try mend no bridges, I look no friend from you. But honestly, as a mother, me feel for you. Be strong, stay strong, and I'm praying for you. And Lorraine, I appreciate it. Gracie come out and Gracie call my phone and Gracie say, Lady V, me feel away. And you know, as a mother, me know, Onisha, it's been a long time I haven't seen you, Onisha. How are you, darling? How is little one? Me said that girl is sexy, you see. Royalty, me see you now. Girl, you're too sexy for me. And then makeup there. And your boy, you not do no body face. You know, me I go put you on the spot one day, Royalty. Me I go come to you and tell you do my face. Me do live. And let me say if you go tell me say you not do it. Yes, so you do it, me come out and tell everybody say you say you get work. Watch me and you. So this is what I am saying. We cannot do these things. No, people so stupid, not realizing when they go for people's children the damaging effect. But because this woman at traumacentral.com, traumacentral.com, who hear what me say? Should I repeat myself, Chocolate? Evelyn, should I repeat myself? Olive Jaggai, should I repeat what I just said? Celine, should I repeat it? TraumaCentral.com. You know what for damage everybody. You know TraumaCentral.com. www.traumacentral.com. Deranged, delusional miscreant. For those in the back, did you hear it? Celine, did you hear it? Observant, did you hear it? Gracie, did you hear it? Chef Cunningham, did you hear it? Delusional.com. TraumaCentral.com. I saw me say, yeah, run up. Oh, Lady V, do my brand. Don't call me name, come in do your brand. No, me I call Lady V man name. The man they out to your class. And me have the kitty. You have a record. You can't tell them man they nothing about me. Go sit. I'm tired of you. You make me sick. I'm so angry towards you tonight. Trauma Central, not Trauma Center. TraumaCentral.com. Now, I have a son, and my son is 13. So now, me as a mother, you know, so them things they kind of near and dear to me. Now, I'll come in and I think you're sexy, you know, but me not Italian. Me just say it because I have my person. Me just say, me think you're sexy. Me think you're all that and a bag of chips and little more. Me, I tell you in a real life, say, you stay good. Yeah. You stay good. You know, just stay good, you're right good too. Yeah. Just so you know. I know hit me at it, you know, so no, you know have to, you know what I say? Yeah, and she not have to feel like, you know what I say, because I know say you have a queen and thing, and you know what I say? Just give her a compliment as a girl, because we confident like that we can give compliment because we give our brother a compliment, I know hit we at it anyone. Because the brother say you look good, I know hit him at it. You know what I say? Yeah. So I am saying this without water in my mouth. It's improper for truth, talk it truth. You stay good, brother. I'm not telling you. I'm not the ground thing. You look good, you stay good, and yeah, me can done sister from through the phone. You smell good. Me see Baccarat and Rouge and so. Me Baccarat Rouge and you know. Me see how I sit now, boy. Loud, it heavy. Purse I keep. Yeah, so I'm gonna say this. We have to cut this crap out where we keep on hurting people. It's like a repetitive cycle. It's like a revolving door, a recurring decimal. We always at the same place. Hurting. Hurt people. I who say they love him. Boy, I wanna take it down now because I don't want a female come over and say, are you call up your name then because I know I'm not lucky. So no, me I'm gonna take it down. Only me alone can say that, you know. Can't explain. It's just a platform all showing platform all love. You understand what I say? So nobody got to take up one again, man. I'm sorry, but I will rewatch me gone Panama. Go on Panama, we not stop you. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna say. Honestly, we need to stop this in look good for you. We need to stop in look good in look great. We need to, you ever say just on snazzy and just I'm saying I have a walk in and see and know say yeah. You know what I say? So we need to stop this foolishness because I hurt people, hurt other people. People that are comfortable in their mind and with their own life. Do not walk around and create animosity. Me see the man in the dark post one list one long time ago, a couple months ago. The only regret I have is I never screenshot it. Tell me, sir. Then you know, see girl look good to her. You think say if I'm me alone want him, and if I'm me alone him want, Chef Cunningham, you stay good. Go tell Mr. Sir, so I say him stay good. Him stay good. And Mr. Sir asked me, take up a picture and show Mr. Sir, and Mr. Sir take it shoot. I know say you but him look good, yeah man, yeah, him look good. Chocolate in man look good. Chocolate no say come on tough crackers put you out you know say you live and the lashes. Vanilla you talk because you white. White is right. Don't him stay good vanilla. Take it short. Come here, vanilla. So this is what I'm saying. No, Miller, I see you. What's up? You cannot be attacking people and then playing victim. You can't come and beat down people, and then play victim. This is where it needs to stop. Nah, take down nobody. Me just attack something. I feel like talk say sweet. No. Right? We need to stop this nonsense. You can't keep going after people's children. Me ear 13 come out here and she makes some allegations. And if these allegations are true, which I want to believe them, because... Oh, I bring the... You want to hear me? Talk, because if you talk, bring like a no. I can't remember one of our besties, so bring like a no, so she tell you. Don't she tell us, say, Chef Cunningham look good. Come here. Shh. Shh. When I move from them, I talk to Vanilla. Biscuit. Where you go? I don't know. Vanilla. And she tell us, say, Chef Cunningham look good. Come here. I not tell her, you know, me not go. You know me not go talk. And she tell us, say, look good. Who trouble your fingers them? So this is what I'm saying. We need to stop this crap. This victim playing. You fling stone and then you ball out. You come and you trouble people and when they clap back at you, one big clap near your neck back, you come and you say, yes, me and good. No, me no say me good and you make me know what I want. I mean, and she thinking look good. And me and alt. Hey, Vanilla, no make me have nothing. No come come out and rub you out, man. You know, so me thinking look good in our real life. Yeah, not the social media. Me thinking, why clean this? You ever see boy smart? Not tell him something, say no come I want to know. Start nothing. Chef Cunningham clean. Yes, in tan good. Talk it shoot in tan good, real good. Hey, will not tell him no come no want no nothing come no social media stay them no problem. Say tan good yeah? Why? You tan good. The girl them always say them set good, you tan good. So yes, all right. So now I'm gonna say this. If you would have done what is alleged, when me did there, I'm a shop today. Oh God, me take off my data for access one internet. I'm gonna put it on back. Me put it on now. So the number gone on, but it will come back up. All right? Yeah. So I am going to say this. We have to stop this. If you have a problem with Valine, go for Valine. Don't go for Shakura and Tenil. You have a problem with chocolate, go for chocolate. You have a problem with chit-chat, go for chit-chat. Stop go for people, family. Yeah, go for people, mother, people, man, people, kids, people, grandkids. But hear me good now. God no love ugly. Okay? God do not what? Like ugly. If you spit in the sky, it fall in your face. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you. That's what the Bible says. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you. If you feel like